What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily cash out stocks on Cash App. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily cash out stocks on Cash App. Just launch the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in into your account. Next is navigate to the Investing tab. Tap the investing icon at the bottom of the screen. This looks like a stack of lines with an arrow or just says investing. Here you'll see your portfolio, a list of the stocks you own. Select the stock you want to sell. You'll be taken to that stock's details page showing current price, performance chart, your holdings or how much you own, then tap the sell button. Look for the sell button, usually near the bottom or middle of the screen. Tap it to proceed. Choose the amount to sell. Choose how much of the stock you want to sell. Options may include $10, $50, $100, or sell all. You can also type in a custom amount. Then tap next to continue. Next is just confirm the sale by reviewing the sale details, amount you're selling, estimated proceeds, any fees if applicable. Tap confirm to complete the sale. The sale will typically process immediately or within a few minutes during market hours. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!